Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of using the gift cards of Walmart online. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. First of all, open the app Walmart. After that, go to your card by tapping on the card icon at the top right. Now to continue, you need to tap on continue to checkout. As you see this interface, scroll down and go to wallet section. After that, tap on add payment method. Here you'll be able to see multiple options. Go to gift card and then enter your card number and 4-digit PIN. The 4-digit PIN is available at the back of the card. Enter the details, and if you don't have a PIN, then you can tap right here in order to solve the problem. Once you have filled in the details, tap on save card, and that's it. You'll be able to use your gift card online. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.